here.
Now.
Woo! It's gonna be a cookout.
He said his sword is going to be made in the heavens. That's the real grand finale.
Hey, like the brother said earlier in a movie, Independence Day, Will Smith at the end said, I promise you fireworks. Yeah.
Hey, Lord gonna bring them fireworks, man.
Verse 15 says, for behold, Yahweh will come with fire.
Can you read 14?
This is Isaiah 66 and 14.
Man.
And when ye shall see this, your heart shall rejoice, and your bones shall flourish like an herb.
Man, so we're seeing all these prophecies. The elect, hey man, we're rejoicing. We're flourishing now. It says, faith shall flourish, and the truth that has been so long without fruit shall be declared.
Yeah.
So the truth is the truth, and the truth is, our people in God.
Yes.
Hey, like my man Denzel, he's like, he pretty much said, once I put it on the WhatsApp this morning, he said, oh, y'all shot at me, but you can't kill it. You can shoot at the truth, you can fucking hate it, you can fucking throw piss ass, whatever, man. You can't stop the truth.
Right.
You can't do nothing against the truth. And the truth is gonna fucking hunt your ass down, man. And it's gonna get your ass too.
It says, the second part it says, and the hand of Yahweh shall be known towards his servants.
Woo! The hand of the Heavenly Father is gonna be known. Who's the right hand of Yahweh?
What's up? Woo.
Who's the right arm? The heavenly host.
That's it.
You see them, they out there. Even the damn Pentagon knows about it. The whole world knows about it. Ain't no secret, but the apostles, the elders, our forefathers, prophets told you. Now it's being explained to you in this time. So you can't say, well, I didn't know what the fuck is going on. I'm telling you, it's been plain to you. It's manifest. The end is manifest.
Jake rather drown it out with his music though, man.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yep.
That's cool. That's tight. That's cool. You got it. You got it. You got it.
It's your world.
It's your world. You got it.
Hey, the scriptures say, the scriptures say the scepter shall not depart from Judah.
Woo!
So, hey, these niggas, when they see that power, they gonna be willing.
And niggas talking about no justice, no peace. The justice that we are asking for is that you niggas die. Fuck what the white man gonna give you. A lot of you niggas been already dead.
That's right.
You niggas fast enough. But the Lord deserves that. Nah, I want my own. Leave with me. You know, like on some baby shit.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Lord gonna get you niggas, man.
Man.
He's saving you niggas for himself. A lot of you niggas gonna get zapped, head chopped off. The Lord has a mission with your name on it. He has a pestilence for you, he has a famine. He has a concentration camp for your black ass. He got things waiting for you niggas.
Yeah, some of y'all niggas are being claimed by the death angels, man.
Man.
Hey, for real.
Hey, and for real, it's like a pickup game going like you got the death angels standing there like, hey man, hey you, come on. Yeah, got it. So there's like you said, a lot of death angels waiting for the Lord to give them the whole deal. And Satan has to depart for you guys. Once I get out here, go. And Satan is doing work out here in this earth.
Yep.
For the Most High. He's sending out these evil spirits so the Lord can be justified in destroying.
And them death angels are following you niggas everywhere you go. They're following you wherever you can't depart from them. They got you, man.
Hey, some of you niggas got a death angel inside of you.
That's right.
Job, man.
Yep.
Don't even know it, man.
Yep.
I'm ready to activate it anytime. Hey, I seen they was going in on it. They said it's reported that over 10,000 people have died from it. And that's only 10% of what's actually out there. Roughly 10%, man. These niggas is dropping, man.
And they said after the second dose, that's when they really drop it.
Yep.
You know?
Yep. Hey, one woman said she had memory fog so bad she couldn't even remember the conversation she had. That's some Black Summer shit, man. That's some shit.
Biden.
Yeah,
This is back in Isaiah 66 and 14. It reads, it says, when you see this, your heart shall rejoice, and your bones shall flourish like an herb.
We're the only ones rejoicing about niggas dropping, death, and a nigga getting the jab. You know, just like you watching a fight, nigga get jabbed up in the fight.
Yeah, that's a good job.
Screaming. You like, yeah, he about, because, you know, the dude's knees is buckling after that jab. We waiting for you niggas to drop and fucking count out like. We want you niggas to be be out.
That's
you know?
right.
But yet the elect is going to be safe. You know, go ahead.
And it says, and the hand of Yahweh shall be known towards his servants,
Yep.
and his indignation towards his enemies.
So when the Lord finally really does it, man, which he's doing it now, but when he really does it, it's going to be rejoicing amongst the elect, and it's going to be the wrath shown to the enemy.
Because you know when I saw all them people got injured down in Florida, I was asking questions. My lady's like, "Why are you laughing?" Because the Lord is laughing, man.
Right.
Because the Lord is this is the hand of the Lord. So we're praising the Lord every single day that death goes out, man. You know, death is going out every day, and we rejoicing even though we don't know it, even though we don't see it, but we know it's there. You know?
We're really going to rejoice because the Lord said he's going to come with the chariots of Israel for the salvation of his people. And what else for the enemy? Destruction. So why would you not rejoice for that? Everybody back when you was on the trial or the day of the Lord. Everybody tell you about the judgment day. The day of the Lord don't hear it no more, but amongst the camp. Yep. The judgment.
Hey, Salakia, hey, when we watch a boxing fight, when a nigga get knocked out, everybody jump up like, oh yeah. So how much more when judgment go out?
Man, but niggas ain't rejoicing because they're afraid. They're afraid because they know they fucked up. But yet the Lord stretched out his hand. Like, has the Lord been a wilderness to you niggas, man? You niggas is wandering around just like in the wilderness because you fucked up, man. Lord, I got a land for you. I got promises for you. But your own sins have separated you from and Esau Edom don't even want to help you niggas out, man. He Joe Biden on there whispering to you niggas like. The fucking the nigga whispering, man.
Verse 15 says, behold, the Lord will come with fire, and with his spirit like a whirlwind.
Hey, well, I'll whisper to you, fire, mama. You niggas, man. Go ahead.
To render his anger with fury.
Woo! He's rendering his anger with fury, man. Furious rebukes like Samuel L. on Pulp Fiction, man. Go ahead.
And his rebuke with the flames of fire.
Flames of fire, what's that? The lasers coming out of those ships. It's gonna zap you niggas to nothing, man.
For by fire and for by his sword.
Woo! Lord's gonna unleash that sword like my man Vader in the corridor, man. Them dudes through it. They had no escape, man.
Scared as hell.
Woo! Scared. Respect you.
Verse 16 it says, for by fire and by his sword will Yahweh plead with all flesh.
Woo! And who's gonna be the express image of Yahweh to execute the judgment? And I always think about my man Anakin walking down that corridor, going in there with the separatists leave. He closing the door and he's like, nah, y'all up in here with me. It's about to get cracking. We want peace. We want peace. Please, we want peace. They'll be crying out, peace. And then on the actual novel, they didn't put it in the movie, but on the novel, there's one of them saying, they promised us peace. And he's like, oh, you misread what he said. He said he didn't want to give you peace. He wanted you in peace. So, hey, Lord wants your ass in peace. He said he's going to rule your head over many countries. He don't want no peace for you other nations, right? He's for his people. And he's saying what you did. You chopped up our babies, our women. You did all this fucking buffoonery and fucking massive graves and shit is being dug up now. The Lord is like, okay, he's about to make this place a grave. Just like you did to Gad.
And it's beautiful we have a just power that remembers those atrocities. Because if it was left up to you 2/3, man, everything would be fine and dandy.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? We get no recompense, man. Y'all niggas want to stay here. They don't care
Yep.
about nothing. As long as they come.
Long as they cargo.
As long as niggas is comfortable and they can go to work, everything will be alright.
Right.
Well, you niggas don't want to go to work right now, but according to the executive orders and the scripture, they gonna put you niggas into work for me. They gonna make your ass work like ancient slavery. You gonna be a chattel slave. So a lot of niggas just getting paid sitting on their ass. You gonna fucking be put into work brigades in these labor camps. And them concentration camps ain't just sitting there to look pretty and shit. No. Who knows the hell they building right here? These niggas in the system.
Yep, right
Oh,
here.
hey, there go another one right there.
Right there.
Are you not entertained? Or you niggas gonna be entertained enough? With the bloodshed that's gonna be out there. That's a purge.
Let me finish this off. It says, verse 16, right? Isaiah 66 and 16, and it says, for by fire and for by his sword will Yahweh Bashimel shall plead with all flesh.
And it ain't gonna be pleading as in pretty please, and like on that movie, a little rap. Like that. But the Lord pleads with his judge. The Lord's gonna judge you with fire.